Hey man, I'm working on my wiring harness, and I've identified most of the connectors that go to the engine in some way, and one of them that I haven't identified is hold on, I need to find it now. This one right here. This one, it's orange. It's got green and pink and white and brown wiring. And I've traced the wiring. One goes to the K50 relay. This one, K50 relay. The brown wire goes here. And the purple and green wire goes into the engine control connector. And I just can't find out what this is. I don't know, because it's not a part of the fan control, because it's not the same green and pink cable that comes from the K50 connector to this. It's not the same cable, so I don't know what it is, and I've never been able to identify it. Can you help?